Okay, I'm going to give you a quick intro to the bonus problems. The bonus problems are dealing with compound areas, and compound areas are shapes that are made up of rectangles, parallelograms, triangles, or trapezoids. So they're a little bit more complex and they require just a little bit more work. I'm going to show you how a couple different ways of dividing up a compound shape. I'm going to look at this shape right here, and I'm going to split this up into three rectangles. You see one on the top, one in the middle, and one on the bottom. The one on the top and the one on the bottom are pretty straightforward because I already know the lengths of the sides. This side is 10, so I would use 10, and this side is 2, so I would use the length 2 to find the area. 10 times 2 is 20, so that would be the area of the top one. And on the bottom one, I can see this side is 8. That was one of the given dimensions or lengths. And I can see this side is 4, so I would find the area of this shape right here, or this part of the shape, by just doing 8 times 4, and I would get 32. So then the question arises as to what these little lengths are here, those missing lengths. And there's a couple different ways I can find them. If I look at the bottom rectangle, I know that that little piece, that missing piece, has to be added to this length here, 4, to get 8. So 4 plus 4 is 8. I can verify that that's true up above by saying that this missing piece right here plus the 6 has to give me the 10. And that's true. So I find the area of this middle rectangle by taking the 6, not the 12, because this side is only 6 right here, and multiplying it by the 4. And then I would find the area of those three rectangles, add them together to get the total area. There's another way of dividing this up, and I divided it vertically up and down, so you can see I still have three rectangles, and my dimensions for the pink rectangle happen to be the side of 12 right here and the side of 4. The area of the green, or the sides of the green rectangle, are the 6 that was given and the 2 that was given. And the area of the green is the given length of 4 and 4, so that happens to be a square. And if you look at my solution, you'll see that I still included the area formulas with the letters, the area formulas with the numbers, and then I made sure that I had units squared in there. And the total overall area is going to be adding the individual parts, and that will be my answer. Good luck with the bonus problems.